Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is just going to be a regional outlook on the snowstorm or a possible snowstorm that's going to happen across the Midwest. And I'm going to be focusing areas like Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Chicago, Detroit, areas like that. So this is more of a localized forecast because the thing is that out of 5 models they're reliable. 4 of those models are indicating that there's going to be a snow. All the NAM models indicate that there's going to be a snowstorm. Not a snowstorm, but there's going to be snow for Chicago area, and it's going to be mainly snow for areas north and west of Chicago, and areas like Detroit, Michigan. But I'll show you in a minute. And there's also the GFS, which is just indicating rain and snow, mainly rain. So again, this is very controversial, not controversial between the models, and we'll just need to see what plays out. But most likely, what I think is going to happen is just going to be a rain snow mix. But you never know because some of the models have been trending. The GFS has been trending towards more snow. So I'm pretty excited about this because even though I don't might not sound like it because I'm pretty tired, but um, I'll just show you. So you can see there's a first system. Actually, it's all the same system. It's just the first part of it moves through northern Wisconsin. So northern Wisconsin, cities like Minneapolis, they're gonna get hit with snow about an inch or two for Minneapolis. Northern Wisconsin, 3 or 4, I'm guessing. And then this is the key. See, there's a band of rain slash freezing rain mix that breaks out across um across Iowa, according to this model, the NAM, and pretty much all the NAM 12 cam, NAM 3 cam, and NAM 32 cam are all indicating this. It'll take quite some time for it to congregate, and you can see rain to the south, north, some colder air. It's going to be frozen precipitation, and you can see it's gathering, gets up strength, and about Saturday night, it's going to hit the Chicago area, and you can see it's just like a rain snow mix, but then a transition happens all to snow. And you can see that is some heavy snow. That's not light snow. That's about probably an inch per hour. So you can see that's gonna be there for possibly 6 hours in Chicago. And if this does happen, all the models, I'm not going to show you all the models because that will take way too long time. But if we go to winter weather and we go to total accumulated snowfall, let's just do the 10-to-1 ratio because it's most likely going to be the 10-to-1 ratio wet snow. And we just go all the way to 60. You could see that this predicts for most of northern Illinois about 3 to 4 or 5 inches. So, in fact, some pockets here of 6. So, again, if this does happen, shovelable snow for many areas across um, very eastern Iowa, extreme southern Wisconsin, and northern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and southern Michigan, including Detroit, areas like Kalamazoo, Lansing, Chicago. So we're in. But the controversial model is a GFS, and you can see the accumulated snowfall for the GFS is, I think, none, if any, a little bit, which is about 3 inches for the Chicago area. So no, maybe less, 2 inches. So you can see the GFS has been trending towards it. So now pretty much we're most likely to receive some snow now that I look at the previous latest runs. But it depends how much snow because what I don't like about the weather.com is that they're not showing a lot of snow for it, and they're not showing the possibility for it because the National Weather Service snow accumulation is less than half an inch, less than half an inch for Sunday, Saturday night. Today at the beginning, they still had absolutely no, they had absolutely all rain, no snow in the forecast. So pretty much it has changed, and they're trending towards snow. And on the other hand, weather.com, all they show is showers and rain. I get it because they don't want to excite people about like the snow, or they want to disappoint people about the snow, whoever you are. But they need to take into account for that it's possible. So I won't make an update video on it because it'll just be in such a short amount of time that most people won't watch it. So I'll just probably make a video of the snow falling and a documentary of it if it does happen. But If it doesn't, then that's too bad. But this video is just the point that there's a possible snow for for a lot of parts of northern Illinois, Michigan, and Wisconsin, and that also the point is that weather.com, that it's just not too accurate, because I don't know, I just don't like it because it just doesn't show what all the possibilities. It just shows what one model is showing, the GFS. That's pretty much it. And they always overhype the temperatures. They're showing today they showed 35 and it was 29. It's a day and days. I'm not saying this because I want cold temperatures. It's like this. In the summertime they do it too low. It's National Weather Service is just better. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm also monitoring the HER model, HRR model, and that model is very accurate, extremely accurate, but it's only 18 hours out, so it doesn't have any snow yet for it, only for northern Wisconsin, doesn't include us because it doesn't go that far, but I'll monitor the situation. So just keep in mind with this video, there's a chance of snow for the Midwest. And by the way, the temperatures will be warming up into next week, so expect a warm up. And today, Chicago did actually have the first snowfall. We got about half an inch, so it's laying on the ground right now. That's pretty exciting. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next episode.